Reverend Father Richard Monteiro, the chief guest of the function. Reverend Sister Therese Monteiro, the headmistress of St. Mary's School and College. Reverend Brother Joy, esteemed teachers of St. Mary's School and College, and my dear students. Good afternoon. Once again you say loudly good afternoon. Still the sun is not seen. Once again loudly good afternoon. Now absolute silence. Just put your fingers on your lips. No one will talk. Today we are here to celebrate Christmas. You have seen a lot of programs, a lot of songs, dances, and also a lot of messages have been given. I have only message to give you, the only one, that is to wish you in advance a very happy Christmas 2025. Rest of the messages you have seen. I have no more messages to give. You know what is Christmas and what it means to celebrate Christmas. I very specially would like to we have welcomed Father Richard. Father Richard hails from Mangalore and he belongs to Varanasi diocese, that is called Banaras. He is a very specialized person, specialized in counseling from Philippines, Manila. And also there is a subject called missiology. He has studied all this from Philippines, Manila. He is very much from India, but he has studied all these things in Manila, Philippines. He is a very versatile personality. He is a very good educationist, takes lots of seminars, lot of classes in different groups and sections, and goes all over North India to different schools, different institutions. That's where he is very specialized in his field. Once again, you are talking. So on behalf of our teachers and students, I especially welcome and thank Father Richard for being here this afternoon, or from morning. This afternoon is here, and he has given a beautiful message today about Christmas and for being with us here. Please put your hands together once again for Father Richard here, who has come all the way from Varanasi. Secondly, I would like to thank all the teachers who have taught the students from different sections, different classes, the dances, the songs, the competitions that we had of 4 different houses. It was beautiful and there was no time waste here. It was short and sweet, and from